Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Dulce De Leche, which is a rich caramel sauce. And this is a great dipping sauce for churros or donuts, or you can use it as a topping on ice cream or drizzle on banana bread or pancakes, or you could use it as a pie or a tart filling, or just put it on some fresh fruit for a really quick dessert. So, as you probably know, this sauce is often made with condensed milk, which is absolutely loaded with sugar. So it's definitely not a healthy product and usually not vegan either. So I'm going to be making a vegan version that is a lot lower in sugar than traditional versions, but it still is a very rich sauce and it still tastes really good. So we're going to make it mostly out of coconut products. Alright, so it's very easy to make. So we're just going to use a can of coconut cream. Make sure it's the full fat coconut cream. I've already got some in this container. I'll just put that in. Okay, so now we're going to use half a cup of coconut sugar, which is a much healthier sugar, less refined, so it's got plenty of vitamins and minerals in it. And I'm just using half a cup of that. Now we have coconut syrup, which is another great coconut product. I'll just put in 1 tablespoon of this. So now I'm going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. So now we just take this to the stove and bring it to the boil. Boil it for about 3 to 4 minutes, then turn down the heat and let it simmer. And you have to stir it continuously until it comes to the boil. So once it's boiling, you just turn the heat down. Alright, so then that just has to simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes until it reduces to about half the volume that's there now. And it'll also get a little bit thicker as well. So as you can see, that's simmering. So just leave it there for 20 to 30 minutes. Then when it's reduced to about half its volume, take it off the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then just let it sit on the stove for about half an hour until it cools down fully. Then put it in a container and put it in the fridge several hours, or ideally overnight. And during that time it will cool and it will thicken and it will go a little paler in colour, and you'll end up with a really nice, rich and delicious caramel sauce. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.